Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 23rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the daily time frame to start with. So on the US dollar Swiss, I think we have the end of a one, two, three-way pullback, which for weeks now I've been saying that this move up was likely a pullback to this last move down. So things are definitely going really well so far. We are sitting at the 78%, could be an area of support, could be an area where we get a little bit of a bounce. But I think even if we do get a bounce, it very likely is going to keep on going down. I am actually targeting the 78% Fibonacci retracement, which is all the way up on the monthly, right around the 0.777 area. So definitely very bearish for sure. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right now, and I definitely wouldn't be going long because the trend is very obviously down. Maybe we're going to get a little bounce here. Maybe it will even go up and break structure. But I think the high probability trades are definitely going to be waiting patiently for proper three-way pullbacks, proper Fibonacci bounces for potentially the continuation of the downtrend. So even if it does break structure up on the 1 hour, that's definitely not going to cause me to look for longs. I'm just going to be continuing to wait patiently for three-way pullbacks to go short every single chance I get on these sort of time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.